Gentlemen, let us see how you can deal with Japanese yen pairs. Some traders, they don't know how they can trade Japanese pair. As we know that dealing with Japanese pairs, we know that we have pairs. We have pair in Forex market. In the Forex market, we have something what we call pair. As we know, in pair, maybe we will be having a currency of two countries. Maybe let us say USD dollar, USD United States dollar, and Japanese yen, USD Japanese yen. This is what we call pair. This is what we call a pair. So here in a one pair we have base and quotes. Here we have a base currency which is called USD or US dollar, and Japanese yen, it is called a quote. This is what we call a quote. This is called a quote pair, quote currency, and this one is called a base pair, a base currency. Sorry, a base currency. This is called a base currency, and as we know that Japanese yen is always in a quote side. It is in a quote side. So when you are dealing with Japanese pair, if maybe you hear maybe everywhere, maybe in a group or somewhere else, okay, they say we are going to sell Japanese pairs. If we are going to sell Japanese pairs, we know that Japanese yen might be strong for that time. That is why we are going to sell it. All right. So here, as you know that, as we know that Japanese yen is always in a quote side, and those pair of Japanese, a pair that contain Japanese yen inside, they move in accordance of Japanese index. That is what we call Japanese future. It is called a Japanese future. So if you understand such condition, you will analyze first a Japanese yen index before going on to the Japanese pairs. Example, if we want to deal maybe with Euro Japanese yen, as we see here, maybe we want to buy this Japanese Euro Japanese yen. Okay, if we buy Euro Japanese yen, it means if we buy, as we know that if we are buying Euro Japanese yen, Euro Japanese yen here, right? Here it is what we call EJ, Euro Japanese yen. So Euro Japanese yen, if we are buying that, we know that a base currency, it will be strong. It will be strong, and the quote currency will be weak. Will be weak. So if we buy Euro Japanese yen, we might have we have to see that Japanese index or Japanese future might be weak, and if it is weak, must be selling, as we can see here. In Japanese yen here, as we see here, there is the formation of truncation right here. That is what we call double top here. Right here we have this structure. We was having this structure here. We was from here. This is there is a break of market structure here. Then there is swing high, swing low here, swing high, swing low here, then swing high, swing low here, then this is swing high, this is swinging low. Then this is not a swing high because wouldn't break this previous swing high before. Then we say this is what we call failure swing. Sometimes they call SMS. This is what we call SMS, shifty market structure, that is failure swing. Then we break. There is a break of market structure here. This is what we call a shift. This is what we call shift, and some of people they call it a change of character. That is a change of character. So if we have a change of character right here, we might understand that we have to notice that the trade will be falling here. Then after a certain interval, we will be back to the failure swing area. Then we will be continuing what selling. We will be falling. We see it down here. Then now, as what we see here, there is a market shift here. That is what we call a change of character. Then there was a back of this market to the failure swing area. Then the market, what we predict here, the market will continue falling down right here until this area here, this area here. Why here? Because we have this flip. We have area of a flip here. This market will be falling until this point here. So as you can see that if Japanese yen is falling down, is selling, then those pair containing Japanese yen, as we know that Japanese yen is in a court side, then those pair will be buying this time. Then now, if you look on Euro Japanese yen, you can see that it is buying. We predict that we will be buying from here until this point here. Why here? Because we have liquidity engineering right here. All right, here, and if you come up with pound yen, that is what we call GBP JPY pound yen, we will be buying also until this point here. Why? Because here we have also liquidity engineering right here. The price engineered, it is here, and this is what we call liquidity engineering above here. And here we have what we call truncation. Some people they call it it as double top. So the double bottom. Sorry. So if you want to deal with Japanese yen pairs, you have to analyze first Japanese yen before going to trade any Japanese pair. I think you have get me. Thank you for listening. You can subscribe and share this video, like, comment, anything. Then we will meet for the upcoming next video. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.